Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved used 2023 edition Volkswagen T-roc style that does come complemented in the modernised metallic Indium Grey paintwork, housing your 1.5 TSI engine and efficient automatic transmission, making an ideal nippy city runaround for that bit of extra space, and housing plenty of advanced features including your LED headlights and even a black design pack with your 18-inch Arlo black alloy wheels. You do also have the protection of power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and plenty of boot space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials. And step into comfort with a cloth upholstery with access to your central power outlets, followed in the front by your multifunctional leather steering wheel and of course convenience of your central touch display screen for endless entertainment. Again, you do have your cloth upholstery for further comfort, followed on the steering wheel in further detail by an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, including your navigation for unfamiliar areas or added assistance with your adaptive cruise control. And moving across, you do again have similar access with your navigation to help you around those unfamiliar areas. You do of course have your app connect and variation of radio stations to stay well entertained and connected on the go. You do also have your on-screen driving data to easily keep an eye on the condition, alongside your on-screen climate control options for a desired temperature, as it does work off a dual system. Your main options are located just below for this, alongside your handy power outlets, central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.